Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to sum Microsoft Excel files. So for this case we will go to any kinds of Microsoft Excel file here, that is, so this is the sum. See, so first of all I will select this is the 4 row, 1 2 3 4 row. Here the option auto sum, when we click the things, or we can go see the alter plus minus. See, so first of all this thing, and this is the sum. So when I will press this, automatically add it up, your total will appear after the selected cell. See, the fifth row has been showed the sum calculation. See, in this way we can do this thing. So here the interesting thing, see the color. Wow, that has also the interesting thing. See, so in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.